Hi, welcome to FreeLearn365. My name is Arshika. In today's video, we are going to learn about destructors. Destructor is a special member function like a constructor. It destroys objects created by constructors. They have the same name as their class. We know that constructors also have the same name as their class. The destructor is also have the same name as their class. The destructors are preceded by a tilde sign. They neither requires any arguments nor return any value. Destructors are automatically called when an object goes out of scope. We do not call a destructor explicitly. They are automatically called when an object goes out of scope. It releases memory space occupied by objects. If program terminates by return or exit statements, destructor is executed for every object existing at that time. Destructor is only one way to destroy objects. It is not possible to define more than one destructor in a class. We know that in the case of constructors, it is possible to define more than one constructor in a class. But in the case of destructor, it is not possible, so they cannot be overloaded. This is a simple program demonstrating the concept of destructor. Let's start with the class declaration. The class name is student, and inside this class we have two member functions. Let's go to the first function. The function name is student. It is similar to the class name, so this is a constructor. And inside this constructor, a cout statement is given saying I am constructor. And now let's go to the next function. The function name is student. It is similar to the class name, but the function name is preceded by a tilde sign. So this is destructor of this class. And inside this destructor, I'm giving a cout statement, I am destructor. Now let's go to the main. The first statement is student Sam. I create an object Sam. So this statement invokes the constructor. And inside this constructor, a cout statement is there. The cout statement invokes and the first output statement is I am constructor. And let's go to the main. The next statement is return 0. The program ends there. Here the scope of the object Sam ends there. So the destructor is called automatically. The cout statement given in this destructor works and I am destructor is displayed at the output terminal. So this is a simple example of destructor. Hope it is clear. Now let's go to the Visual Studio Code. Open the Visual Studio Code. Click on the File menu and select New File. Write your code here. Save your file. Click on the File menu and select Save option. Write your program name here. Save it. You can run your code either by right-clicking and selecting the Run code or by clicking the Run button. I run my code and I get the output. I'm constructor, I'm destructor. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share to your friends. For more videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.